Hi, my name is Gerald Marcus from the law offices of Gerald Marcus. If you've been involved in an accident involving a truck, there's usually a lot of damage to your car. There's usually a pretty heavy impact. One of the main reasons is that trucks, particularly big trucks, tractor trailers, commercial trucks, have big loads in their back, in their bed. The weight of those trucks is substantially more than your car. Therefore, there's going to be a lot of force and a lot of damage and usually a lot of injury sustained. Typically, truck accidents involve serious injuries. Typically, trucks have commercial policies or higher liability limit policies, which is important particularly in a serious injury case. If you've been involved in any type of an accident involving a truck, please call me so that I can evaluate your case.